She's got you. Yeah. Soon she'll be saying great grandma.
Topeka. Oh, what do you think about that?
Look at that baby girl.
Is you bothered by your toofies? Is your toofies getting to you?
Erin thinks she'll have a tooth in any day.
You want that fly swatter?
She says, hey, I can use this on Mama and Daddy. Yeah, what do you have there?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
there it goes. There it goes.
Time to tear more things apart on Grandma's desk.
What do you think we can find out? We can find some other things to get?
Oh. Oh.
What do you see out there, huh?
She sees the plants out your window.
Oh, you got it.
Uh-oh, where'd it go? Oh, there's another fly swatter.
Oh, I didn't know it was there.
Yeah, if you need anything found, apparently she's very good.
Can I see it? Can I see the fly stuff? Got a fly there we could get. It just meant go like this, go.
Yay, great grandma, yay!
Whoop,
Uh-oh.
there it went. There it went. Let's see.
Can you say thank you, great grandma, for letting me throw all your stuff on the floor? Grandma has a remote. She loves remotes.
Huh. What? Huh? She's taking one finger off. Huh? Huh? What is it? Huh? Good. Yeah.
She's pretty happy. I'll turn this off and go get everything off the floor for her.
Yeah. What do you think about it, huh?